In this video, we're going to take a look at Go Granola, an AI-powered tool that helps you manage your meetings, take notes, and keep everything organized in one place. It's like having a smart assistant built right into your workflow. Let's just say, for example, you're in a meeting and you don't want to miss a single detail. Go Granola makes it simple to capture everything. And what I really like is that it's not just about taking notes, it's about turning those notes into something useful, like tasks, summaries, follow ups. It handles all of that for you. And when you first open Go Granola, you'll notice the clean interface. And at the very top, there's a search bar, and right below that, you'll see the option to try a demo meeting with Granola. You can also tap and ask Granola, and then this is where it gets powerful because you can literally ask anything based on your notes. It's like searching your meeting history instantly. So let's just say, for example, you forgot who was assigned to handle the marketing campaign 2 weeks ago. So instead of digging through documents, you can just ask Granola and it'll give you the answers that you need. And stick around because in a minute, I'll show you how Granola can even enhance your notes automatically. And on the left side, you can create a new folder, and then you see two options here like shared and private. Shared folders are perfect for team collaborations, while private folders are just for you. So let's just say, for example, you're managing a client project and you can keep all related notes in one shared folder so the whole team stays on the same page. And if you're working on personal tasks or side projects, you can just keep them private. Now let's create a new note. So on the top right corner, tap New Note. So in here, you'll need to title your meeting, set the date, and choose which folder to save it in. So for example, I'll call it Sample 2 since this is just a demo. And in the notes, I'll type something like Weekly Team Sync. Sarah will finish the social media calendar by Wednesday. Mike will update the website banner by Friday, and I'll prepare the monthly report by Monday, and the next meeting scheduled for Tuesday at 10 a.m. And what's nice is that you're not locked into a specific format. You can just type freely, and later Granola can structure it for you. Next, you can just tap on Resume Transcript. This feature listens to your meeting and creates a transcript in real time. So for me, I'll just say something simple as an example. Now, here's the interesting part. Once you're done, you can enhance the notes, and then Granola will automatically organize them for you. And then it'll highlight key decisions, action items, and even deadlines. So let's just say, for example, you had a long brainstorming session, and then Granola will pull out the important points so that you don't waste time reviewing everything. And if you want to edit it out, just tap on My Notes. And if you need to continue recording, simply hit the resume button again. And on the right side, you'll see a different sharing options. Like you can copy the link, email it, or copy the text directly. And at the top bottom, there are quick actions like turning notes into a list of action items, writing a follow-up email, creating a Q&A list, or even making notes more concise or more detailed. So let's just say, for example, you're sending a recap email to your client. So instead of typing it from scratch, you just click follow-up email and it's ready in seconds. And here's something most people don't know about this. You can actually choose different AI models. So under Auto, you'll find standard ones like Claude 3.7, GPT-5, GPT-4.1 under Thinking models. And then you'll see Claude 4 Sonnet, Gemini 2.5 Pro, GPT-5 Thinking, and O3 Dot. So this gives you flexibility depending on what kind of responses that you want, whether it's fast, detailed, or more creative. You can even chat with a meeting or upload files to keep everything in one place. So imagine uploading a PDF and asking Granola to summarize it alongside with your meeting notes. That's a huge time saver. Now let's talk about the plans. So say, for example, you've got a busy month full of clients, calls, and project meetings. You want a plan that supports unlimited transcripts. So Go Granola offers different plans depending on how much you use it. If you're just testing it out for personal use, the free trial is perfect. You can try all the main features, create notes, and even use the AI enhancement without paying upfront. And here's the really exciting part. What used to cost $18 is now completely free to try. That means you're not locked into anything and you can see if it actually fits on your workflow before you even commit. So let's just say, for example, you're a freelancer handling multiple clients. You can test the shared folders and transcript features to see if it helps keep you more organized. If you're on a bigger team, the paid plans give you more storage, better collaboration tools, and longer transcripts. And don't worry, it scales with you. So whether you're a solo worker or a company managing dozens of meetings, there's a plan that makes sense. And here's a quick tip. Starting with a free trial now is the smartest move because you can upgrade later once you're sure it's useful for you. So if you want to support this channel, feel free to use our affiliate links given in the video description because this will help us make more videos like this. So that's Go Granola. It's simple, powerful, and it makes your meetings so much easier to manage. So say, for example, you're leading multiple teams, you'll never have to worry about losing track of what was decided. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this walkthrough gave you a clear idea of how Go Granola can save you time and stress in your daily work. And here's the best part. You can try it right now for free. What used to cost $18 is now $0 to start. So there's really no reason to not check it out. You can always upgrade later if you need more features, but for now, the free trial gives you everything you need to see the value for yourself.